India's largest engineering company expects strong growth from the division that includes its drone business, highlighting a broader shift from innovation to industrial scale. When Reuters reported that India's Larsen and Toubro (L&T) expects the division that includes its drone business to triple revenue over the next 5 years, the announcement sounded like another optimistic corporate forecast. Viewed in a broader context, however, it suggests something more significant. Around the world, drones are increasingly becoming the business of large industrial manufacturers rather than startups. Governments are investing in domestic production, resilient supply chains, and long term manufacturing capacity. Companies are talking less about prototypes and more about factories. L&T's outlook is one more indication that the drone industry is entering a new phase, where the ability to manufacture at scale may become as important as developing the next breakthrough aircraft. More than a drone company, founded in 1938, Larsen and Toubro is India's largest engineering and technology conglomerate. Its businesses span infrastructure, energy, heavy engineering, shipbuilding, aerospace, defense, electronics, and information technology. Rather than resembling a traditional drone manufacturer, L&T occupies a position closer to a diversified industrial and defense contractor. That context matters. According to Reuters, the company's Precision Engineering and Systems division, which houses its drone business, currently accounts for only a small portion of overall revenue. The division also includes military electronics, aerospace manufacturing, naval systems, radar, and other advanced technologies. In other words, drones are not a standalone venture. They are becoming another product line within a broader portfolio of advanced manufacturing that mirrors a larger trend across the global defense and aerospace industries. Manufacturing is becoming a competitive advantage. For much of the past decade, success in commercial drones depended largely on innovation. Companies competed on aircraft design, flight performance, autonomy, and new applications. Those factors remain important, but customer expectations have changed. Enterprise and government buyers increasingly ask different questions. Can the manufacturer deliver thousands of aircraft? Can it secure critical components? Can it maintain consistent quality across production? Can it support fleets for years after delivery? Can it meet evolving security and regulatory requirements? These are manufacturing questions as much as engineering ones. The shift is particularly evident in defense markets, where procurement increasingly emphasizes trusted supply chains, domestic production, and long term sustainment alongside aircraft performance. A global trend, L&T is far from the only example. In France, policymakers and manufacturers are exploring how the country's established automotive sector can accelerate drone production, leveraging existing industrial expertise rather than building an entirely new manufacturing base. In the United States, federal initiatives continue to encourage domestic drone manufacturing and investment in batteries, electronics, and other critical components. Programs such as Blue UAS, along with growing scrutiny of foreign suppliers, have placed increasing emphasis on trusted manufacturing ecosystems rather than individual aircraft alone. China's recent export restrictions on certain drone related technologies have reinforced the importance of resilient supply chains, prompting governments and manufacturers to reduce dependence on overseas sources for critical components. While each country is pursuing its own strategy, the direction is remarkably consistent. Autonomous systems are becoming part of national industrial policy. The industry is growing up. Many technologies follow a similar path. Early markets are driven by entrepreneurs and rapid innovation. As adoption grows, manufacturing capacity, quality control, and supply chain management become increasingly important. Established industrial companies begin investing alongside or acquiring innovative newcomers. The drone industry appears to be entering that stage. It is too early to conclude that it will consolidate in the same way as industries such as automotive or commercial aviation. Drone technology remains highly specialized, with continued opportunities for innovation in autonomy, sensors, payloads, and software. What is changing is the competitive landscape. Manufacturing scale is becoming a strategic advantage rather than simply an operational necessity. Companies that can combine advanced technology with reliable production, secure sourcing, and long term support are increasingly well positioned to compete for enterprise and government programs. Looking beyond the aircraft, L&T's forecast is noteworthy not simply because one company expects rapid growth. It reflects a broader evolution in how the drone industry is being viewed by some of the world's largest industrial companies. The conversation is shifting beyond aircraft specifications toward production capacity, supply chain resilience, advanced electronics, and manufacturing ecosystems. That does not signal the end of innovation. Instead, it suggests that innovation alone may no longer be enough.